Okay, we're going to look at how to apply borders. First, select the cells that you want to apply your borders to. In this case, we're going to do the column headings. Next, go find your borders button. When you open up your borders, you want to set the color. So if I want something different from black, let's say we'll use blue, and the border style. In this case, we'll do a thicker border. Then you choose where you want it applied to the cell. In this case, we're going to apply it to the bottom. Now, if I want to use that same border again, I can just go select the next set of cells, go to the border button, and apply it to the bottom of that. If I want to have something slightly different, I can go select another set of cells. I can go back to my borders button, change the style or the style of border, say a double underline, and then apply it to those cells.